This flaw stems from a mismatch between assumed object types in the V8 JavaScript engine. By loading a specially crafted HTML page, an attacker can coerce the engine into misinterpreting the structure of JavaScript objects in memory. This type confusion leads to heap corruption, which can be leveraged to execute arbitrary native code, trigger a denial of service condition, or read sensitive data from process memory. The vulnerability impacts Chrome and related browsers before version 138.0 on 72104.168, and its severity has been rated high by the Chromium security team.